Hey there, crafters and art enthusiasts! I hope you're all doing well. Today, I have some exciting news to share with you regarding the future of this channel. As much as I love sharing my passion for crafts and art with all of you, I believe it's time to embark on a new adventure together. Starting from now, we're going to expand our horizons and dive into the fascinating world of facts. That's right, we'll be exploring the wonders of the world, the mysteries of history, and the astonishing discoveries that make our planet so incredible. So, without further ado, let's dive into the world of facts, starting from the tallest building in the world as of the date of this video. Name: Burj Khalifa. Location: downtown Dubai, United Arab Emirates. Height: 828 meters, 2,717 feet. Floors: 163 above ground, 2 below ground. Architect: Adrian Smith, Skidmore, Owings and Merrill. Construction started in January 6, 2004 and construction completed on 1st of October 2009. Official opening, January 4, 2010. Primary use, mixed use, including residential, commercial, and hotel. Developer, Amar Properties. Cost, approximately US $1.5 billion. Design inspiration, the Hymenocallis flower, native to the region. Structural system, reinforced concrete and steel frame. Total area, approximately 309,473 square meters, 3,331,100 square feet. Observation decks, at levels 124, 125, and 148, known as at the top and at the top sky. Elevators, 57, including double-deck elevators and the world's fastest single-deck elevators. Residential spaces, floors 19 to 108 are dedicated to luxury residential apartments. Hotels, Armani Hotel Dubai occupies multiple floors in the building. Restaurant, Atmosphere, located on level 122, is the world's highest restaurant from ground level. Facilities, the building houses offices, retail spaces, restaurants, a mosque, a fitness center, and a swimming pool. Energy efficient features, the tower incorporates sustainable design elements, including high-performance glass, efficient cooling systems, and solar panels. Lighting, the exterior lighting system features thousands of LED fixtures that can be programmed for various light shows. Record breakers, tallest building in the world, as of today, tallest freestanding structure in the world, highest number of stories in the world, highest occupied floor in the world. Elevator with the longest travel distance in the world, highest outdoor observation deck in the world on level 148, highest swimming pool in a building, on the 76th floor, fastest elevators in the world, traveling at speeds up to 36 km per hour or 22 miles per hour. Burj Khalifa attracts millions of visitors each year and offers panoramic views of Dubai from its observation decks. The building has become an iconic symbol of Dubai's ambition and modernity, as well as a global architectural marvel. So that's about it on the Burj Khalifa. Your feedback and engagement have always been incredibly important to me, and I encourage you to continue sharing your thoughts, ideas, and suggestions. Let's make this channel a vibrant hub of knowledge and creativity, where we can all learn, grow, and create amazing things together.